Oh, wait. It's a can crusher. That's what it
is.
It's a can crusher.
My God.
Oh!
Yeah!
What's up, guys? It is day 2 of painting the walls at the shop. Pedro got here early and he started to patch up some little holes on the walls. You can see where he was putting the mud on all these little spots to help fill in the imperfections. And now that the walls have dried, you can really see how dark it is because of the mud he put on there. All those little spots are white, and then you can see that the paint we used is obviously a little bit darker, but it's still a little lighter than what we would like. We're still gonna do the bottom half a darker gray. So I went to Home Depot and we picked up some gray. That is in this 5-gallon bucket right over there. We're getting ready to start shooting that on this wall right here. And then we also did get some red as well. And check this out, guys. I went with race car stripe red. That's literally the name of the color. So I think that fits what we're doing pretty well. Pedro's gonna go ahead and get started on the gray. Before he starts though, I do need to pull Wago out because I don't need Wago getting a free paint job from Pedro, because he'll just go over anything we don't mask, as we found out yesterday. Oh yeah, that's a gray. As you guys saw, Pedro came over the other day and we painted the bottom half of the wall a darker gray. It is completely dry now. It's been about 2 days since we did that and it is looking really good. The one other thing I wanted to show you guys is that I actually pulled up the log on Wago from when it blew up with James driving. And if you actually look right here, you can see that Wago revved up to 9,200 RPM when the rev limiter was set at like 86 or 8,700. So it obviously pushed past its rev limiter somehow. And I'm kind of thinking that it still floated that valve and that's what caused this whole issue, especially after looking at this log. It went up to 9,200, which is really high for a stock motor, I would assume. So I'm gonna wait till Brent gets back and have him look at this and see what he thinks. But if it actually revved out that hard, I mean, look at the graph, it just shoots right up, and that would make sense that it would float a valve at that high of an RPM, break the valve off, and then that could have caused all the carnage. But I figured I'd show you guys this data, let you guys decide. And then as you can see, obviously once it ramped up, blew up and then dropped right back off and all the way down to 0 RPMs where she died. Figured that was something I'd throw in there real quick because it did actually save that log. What's up, man? How's your trip?
Hey, good.
It was good?
It was actually awesome.
You have a good birthday?
Place. Yeah, birthday was out of hand. We were in Vegas, so.
Yeah, I heard.
It was good.
But third place?
Third place, yeah.
In the desert truck races?
Yep.
That's awesome.
We took second or first if we didn't have 3 flats. But
dang.
It was awesome. It was way rad.
Oh, glad you had fun.
Yeah, it's good. Glad to be back though.
Yeah, all kinds of changes.
I know. Came in and like, what the heck?
Everything's repainted on our side.
Yeah, everything's all different.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Like, it's awesome.
Yeah, and we got you all those snacks from the subscribers sending them.
Oh yeah, it was nice coming into all that.
It was a birthday present for when you got back. And all
Thanks,
the Cokes.
Everyone, for sure. For all the birthday wishes, that was wicked.
Check it out, guys. We finally have ourselves a lift. So this morning, this guy came and dropped this thing off. We just got it locally off the old Craigslist. Did what we had to do, but she is a brand new 2-post lift. It has never been assembled. I guess the guy had got 2 of these a while back and he didn't need this second one and they were just sitting around. So we bought this one from him and he had it delivered for us. He already had it on the trailer, so we didn't have to do anything but help him get it off the trailer and get it into our bay right here. But super excited. We're finally going to be able to work on the cars not on the floor.
Not on your back.
Yeah, that is going to be so nice. Hopefully keep the messes down a little bit. I know in the last videos when we were working on Wago, spilling oil everywhere, like people were like, what are you guys doing? But you know, that's just because I didn't have time to lift it up and drain it. It was on the floor. We had to do what we had to do. But now we can lift the cars up and get drain pans under them a little easier. And I want to order some of those like stand-up pans, you know, that like roll under the cars. Get some legit ones. Yeah, stop making messes everywhere. But yeah, I'm super excited. We finally got our 2-post lift. Thank you guys so much for making this happen. And yeah, we got all the instructions to get it installed right here, put everything together. We went to Home Depot and we got the studs that go into the ground. We had to go buy a new hammer drill and a drill bit to drill into the concrete to install it. We got all the pieces back over there. We got our cables and hydraulic lines. Just got to get everything thrown together. And then later on, our buddy Chris can come and run the electricity. We already have it ran up there if you guys remember, so that's ready just to be plugged right in. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on getting this thing up and operational. We're gonna need everyone's help lifting these things up. These things are really heavy, but we're just gonna, what?
I'm gonna do it by myself, dude.
Yeah, you've been back on that vegan diet. He's building his muscles back up.
It says lift here, bro.
You don't got that.
Oh, we need help.
So yeah, we're gonna need help lifting those into place. And then we already took some measurements of where we're gonna put it. From this wall to this line is 177 inches, and we are going to center the lift in between that. The full width of the lift is 137 inches, fully set up. At least that's what the dimension sheet says. So, you know, 177, take away 137, we're left with 40 inches. So we're gonna have 20 inches on each side from the wall, and then from that line, it'll be nice and centered. And then we just gotta decide how far back we want it. I think for right now, we're thinking anywhere from here to here, somewhere in this area. We might put it right here so we're not blocking this window, but it might be nice just to have it a little bit more forward so we have enough room to pull a car in behind, you know, if we just want to keep one in overnight so we can fit two. So that's just something we're thinking about. But yeah, we're gonna double check all that, and then we're just gonna go ahead and start lifting these into place, wiggle them around where we need them. We're gonna lift them each up individually, and then once they're up into place, we're going to connect the top piece. We'll climb up on the ladder, get them connected together, and then we can kind of wiggle everything where it needs to be, take our final measurements, make sure everything is square, then we can start drilling into the ground, get our studs in there, and then just start getting everything put together as we go.
Oh shit, it's upside down.
Is it?
Hey, Fred. Yep, put the car on it, see how it works.
Just hook it up. Just fall over.
Lift fail. Now she's all built, put together. And
Yep, climb on the ladder, hook the top up,
Yep.
and bolt it to the ground.
Moving on.
Moving on.
Wow. 20 foot-pounds.
20. I think this is one thing we should not shorten a bolt on.
No. Get them all the way in there.
Just leave 2 and that's it.
We only need 2 bolts on this out of the 6 guys. It'll be fine.
It'll be fine.
It's not going nowhere. See how hard I was pulling on that? Nowhere.
All right, 10 more holes to go.
Those are pain, dude.
It just takes forever to drill them.
We got 2 holes done for this post right here. We got this one exactly where we want it. And then this one we're still gonna have to wiggle around a little bit to get it lined up where it needs to be. We gotta take some other measurements, but we're also going to need to climb up and see where this needs to go on. Probably gonna bolt that up first up top, and then we'll drill our holes for the second one and go from there. And also Pedro's here. He is adding our stripe, our red stripe all the way around. He's getting it masked off right now.
What's up, Pedro?
So he's over there while we're getting the lift installed, and we still have quite a bit to do, so we're just gonna keep going at it.
Wow.
That is bright.
That's beautiful.
Look at the precision. That's gonna look so good.
That's like Ferrari red, dude.
Yeah, that's so bright. It's that race car stripe red. So Pedro's been making good progress on the wall. He's about halfway done with that red stripe so far. It's looking really awesome, and we've been making more progress on the lift. We had to tighten up these top pieces and add some bolts that were missing, but we just got that done. Now we're getting ready to add this top piece. We're going to bolt this to the one that we already got bolted down with 2 bolts. And once we get that on there, we can see where this one needs to be about as far as coming in, because we already got the setting where we want on this. So we're gonna scoot this one in position, get it bolted up on top on this one, and then we can make sure everything is square from there and start drilling our holes for the second post. Dang, that's looking good. Are you gonna go over those little patches with the roller too? Fix those up. That is looking sweet. Hell yeah.
Where are we right now, dude?
The shop's looking fresh.
It's looking way different.
Walls are painted. We're about to have a lift up. What's going on?
Moving on up. Catching the struggle.
Torque on that thing. Pretty sure we have to torque these to like 150 foot-pounds is what they actually torque at. But she's officially in place. Got our first hole drilled on this one. We measured everything, double checked it all, made sure everything was square. That's where she's gonna be. Looks really good, nice and even on both sides. Super stoked.
Yeah, looks great.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That red stripe really pops.
Yeah, no, I think it looks really good.
Yeah.
It's good now, huh?
Oh shit, yeah.
I pulled it right into place.
Yeah.
It's good.
There was a tiny little gap under this one, so we did that one.
Yeah, this one should be good too.
No, that one will need some shims. That one still probably needs a shim. Yeah, it does. Yeah, that side's not perfectly level.
Yeah.
Brees. Oh, that's the guy with that wagon.
Oh, it is, dude.
I've seen
I
that on the
love
internet.
this car.
Yeah.
I love it, man.
That thing's sick.
I check it out all the time. It's
That's
in my,
his?
That
It's-
thing is
yeah,
sick.
it's
I've
in-
seen that
it's-
wagon going around on the
It's in my
internet.
favorites
That thing's
on my little
badass.
thing.
Yeah, like cut the doors all crazy.
Dude, you
Like
did
a
a good
Jeep.
job, man.
That shit's crazy.
I want one.
Well, what's in there? Care package from Honda Rescue Garage.
Whoa! Already starting off right. Oh my
More
God.
food. Brent has dibs. Brent has dibs. It's still his birthday week.
I'm a candy nut, if you can tell.
Bro, I grew up on these though.
Yes,
man, there's-
the monsters.
say there's Kyle.
Yes, there's me, dude.
Red Bull?
Red Bulls, though. The care packages just keep getting better. Oh,
M&M's,
Slim Jims, bro.
oh my gosh.
Here.
There's another box in there.
Cokes.
Oh, those are for Brent.
This is great.
Shut up.
Shut up, dude.
Honda Rescue.
Those are
Dude.
sick.
Oh, sure.
These are sick.
yeah.
Nice, man.
I like this green too.
Hell
Dude,
yeah.
these
These
Honda
wagons
Rescue
sick, too.
coming through. Oh wait, there's something else right here.
Oh!
Kinda heavy,
Oh!
What is this?
Whoa!
What is that?
This is sick.
What is that? Is that?
Right.
Yo!
No way.
Dude, plug it in and watch
Plug
it
that
go
thing
up and
in.
down.
Hey, dude.
Here's your switch.
Where's the plug?
Plug it in. Is that a
And it's
window
gonna
regulator?
rotate.
It is.
It's gonna rotate the piston up and down, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, and he has the
This guy-
HRG carved out Honda Rescue Garage.
Honda Rescue Garage, man.
Don't forget the pulley.
Damn.
This guy's gonna
that-
be like,
is that
he's
like
gonna be
a-
building hundreds of these now. He's screwed.
Bro, look at that.
That's awesome.
More people are gonna want that. Oh, wait. It's a can crusher.
That's what it
Is
it
it? Oh,
It's a can crusher.
Oh my god, that's exactly what it is.
Yo, Brent. Brent, you won't shotgun a Coke?
Shotgun a Coke. Have you ever shotgunned a Coke?
Oh my god.
Just finish one. Just chug. We need a can to crush.
Move your fingers.
We should have Mountain Dew for this, but.
Oh!
Let's crush more shit.
Yes.
That is, oh my. That is sick.
That is so
Dude,
tight.
this guy's a genius, bro.
Bro, that's awesome, dude.
That is so sick. He says he has all the lift kits for Civic wagon, everything. So we need to get another Civic wagon so we can turn it into a rally car.
I have the red one.
I want to turn a Civic Wago into a rally car, and then I can put all my old single cam stuff in it. Make like a 300 horse.
In it like normal person.
I know they work, but I have all this stuff just laying at my house. Pedro's already having a Red Bull.
What are you doing?
We're gonna have videos of these
Already in the Red Bull.
We'll crush the tape.
Bro, where's your...
Oh! It's like a mini version of the hydraulic press channel. Dude, that thing is awesome. Thank you, Honda Rescue Garage. Go check him out, guys. That is so badass. Brent's over here munching away on the snacks. You can lean on it.
Yeah, you can lean on it.
We got bolts in it now. Now we have 2 studs on each one, so this thing's not gonna be tipping over, but we still have 4 more holes to drill on each side, but they take quite some time to get done because this hammer drill kind of sucks and the drill bit is getting hot on the end and we're starting to fry it up. So we will have some more holes to drill to get it mounted up, and then we still have a lot more assembly to do, like the hydraulic lines and the cables, put the arms on, but at least we got it up and in place and measured out. Got the top piece on, so we know where everything's going to be. We still have to mount the hydraulic motor and stuff right here and just get her all working.
That's awesome.
Pedro got the stripe almost all the way done. He stopped right here because you said you wanted to get some more tape, right?
Yeah,
some better tape that's not peeling off.
Sticking, so we need to get something better.
Get some better tape, and then we'll just finish this one wall right there. That should be pretty fast just to knock that out, but it is looking awesome. Red stripe all the way around. What do you think?
I love it. Brighter, happier.
Looks a lot different since you got back, huh?
Oh yeah, gone a couple days. Our whole place changed.
You got a makeover. It's looking so good. And we have a lift now.
I gotta leave more often. His favorite.
I love these things, bro.
It's fun so fast. All right, guys, we are getting out of here for tonight. Really excited with how the shop is coming along. Pedro did an amazing job on the walls. Looks awesome. We just have to get this last wall a red stripe, and then it will be pretty much done. I know Pedro just wanted to get some better tape because I guess he had some issues with the tape not wanting to stick while he was masking, but he did manage to get these walls done right here. Came out awesome. There's some minor touch-ups that need done, but it is very, very close to being fully painted, and then that will be out of the way. And already, guys, I'm sure you can tell on video, but it looks so much better. The room is much brighter in here now, and it doesn't feel like an old 100-year-old dusty shop anymore. Feels much newer in here, feels cleaner, and it's just awesome. And as you guys saw, we got ourselves a lift, finally. Cannot thank you guys enough. Wouldn't be possible without you guys. We got it up in place where it needs to be. We still have a bit to get done on it. We need to get the cables ran, the hydraulic lines, the pump needs to be mounted on it, the arms, stuff like that, drill some more holes, but the lift is coming along, so cannot be more excited about that. We finally don't have to work on the floor anymore. It is about freaking time, guys, and yeah, like I said, cannot thank you guys enough for all the support. We're literally building like our dream shop right now because of you guys. None of this would be possible without you guys, so that is really awesome. Really happy with how it's coming along. We got our banner back up. We're getting back in business, guys. I got Wago pulled in for tonight. Tomorrow we're supposed to get hit with a really big blizzard, and apparently we might see some record-breaking snowfall. I know Emilio lives kind of far away, so I'm not sure if he's gonna even be able to make it because the roads are gonna be really bad, and I figured it would not be the best idea to try to drive Wago in that traffic. But if we do make it down here through the blizzard, I figured it might be fun to pull Wago out and have some fun in the snow, just like the good old days, but we will see. For now, she's staying in the shop for tonight. We did also get the rotating assemblies dropped off for the LMR2 and for Honda. Hopefully we'll be getting that stuff back this week to start putting our motors together, and we are also expecting the heads very soon as well. So a lot of stuff is starting to fall into place. Hopefully we can get these builds up and going. I know we've been slacking for a while, guys, but we have so much to get done. We've been making crazy progress at the shop, so it's been awesome, guys. That's gonna be it for tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. And I also do want to give a huge thanks to Honda Rescue Garage for the care package. The can crusher was awesome, and yeah, also huge thanks to Pedro, obviously, for knocking out the walls. Looks amazing, but it's gonna be it for tonight, guys. As always, thanks for watching.